Hello again, everyone. Yate, bienvenidos, and mabuhay. I hope everyone enjoyed their Thanksgiving break, and I hope we all got some much-needed rest. As we approach December, I'd like to take a moment to remind everyone that December 1st is the Student Count 80th day. This day is extremely important for us as it provides accurate student count data, which helps us secure funding for our schools. Therefore, it's crucial that your child is present on this day to ensure that we have an accurate count. I'd like to extend my congratulations to Mr. Matthew So for his election to the CCSD Board of Education. Mr. So has previously served on the board, and we welcome him back for another term. Congratulations also to Suzette, Haskie, and Gary Montoya for their re-election. I'm excited to collaborate with our school board as we serve our students, staff, and district. I firmly believe that we've begun to make positive changes, and I look forward to continuing the work that we've started. With that said, we're recording this a day early, as I, along with several board members, will be attending the New Mexico School Board Association Annual Convention in Albuquerque from Thursday through Saturday. This convention is a great opportunity for us to network and learn from other educators and board members from across the state. We all hope to bring back new ideas and strategies that will benefit our school and students. I'd like to share that we're currently making the essential repairs to all schools in Kirtland, Newcomb, and Shiprock to keep facilities safe and ensure a safe learning environment for our students. During the last couple of days, Shiprock High School has been experiencing issues with heat. Please know that our maintenance crew is working hard to make sure all of our school environments are safe and comfortable. I'd like to personally thank the staff and students of Shiprock High School for your resiliency and willingness to adapt to some challenging circumstances. I'd also like to thank parents and community members for your patience and understanding. We're conducting a Student Wellbeing and Competency Survey to send to the New Mexico Public Education Department. This survey is open through December 15th, and your feedback is important to us. We want to hear about your experience with your school so that we can continue to provide high-quality learning experiences that meet the needs of our learners. The survey is brief, and we value your thoughts and opinions. Your responses will help us understand what we're doing well and what we can improve upon. We encourage all parents and guardians to take the survey and provide their input. Finally, I want to wish you all a great week ahead. Remember to take some time for yourself and your loved ones during this busy season. And remember that while this season is a time for celebration and joy for many of us, it can also bring feelings of stress, anxiety, and grief as well. That's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Hagone. Adios. Paalam.